Oh, hi there, I'm a Bristle. You know, just your average, everyday toothbrush. Well, maybe not so average. Oops, I meant to do that. Sometimes I wonder if anyone even notices me. But then everything changed when Squeezy arrived.
Hey there, neighbor. Name's Squeezy, and I'm here to brighten up this bathroom.
Squeezy was everything I wasn't. Confident, outgoing, and, well, not afraid of a little attention. Gee, I wish I could be like that.
Remember, young brush, true cleanliness comes from working together and facing our fears. One day, you'll help someone smile brighter than ever.
I didn't know it then, but those words would change my life forever. Wow, Squeezy really knows how to liven things up around here. And then there was Sophie. Sweet kid, but she had one tiny problem.
Sophie, time to brush your teeth.
No, I don't wanna.
Yep, you guessed it. Sophie hated brushing her teeth. Like, really hated it. Sophie had some interesting ideas about dental hygiene. Let's just say she wasn't exactly making our job easy.
They're coming to tickle my teeth.
But one night, everything changed.
Sophie, you have to brush your teeth before bed. No excuses this time.
Hey, Bristle. Want to go on an adventure and help this kid out?
I could feel it in my bristles. Something big was about to happen. And just like that, I was faced with the biggest decision of my life. Little did I know it was about to become the adventure of a lifetime. Oh boy, here we go. So, there I was, about to enter a kid's mouth for the first time. Talk about a brush with destiny. Whoa, is this what it feels like to be floss?
Woohoo! Look at this place, Bristle. It's a whole new world in here.
And boy, was Squeezy right. Sophie's mouth was like nothing I'd ever imagined. It was, well, kind of beautiful, in a weird, wet sort of way. Squeezy? Is it supposed to be this slippery?
Just gotta find your footing, buddy. Watch and learn.
I guess we both have some learning to do.
Now that's what I call a minty fresh entrance.
It's like a tiny toothpaste parade. As we explored Sophie's mouth, Squeezy and I started to become real friends. He taught me to be more confident, and I tried not to slow him down too much.
Come on, Bristle. You gotta live a little.
I'm living, just, cautiously.
Welcome, travelers. Care for a tune about proper brushing technique?
Hit it, maestro!
Round and round, reach every tooth, that's how you give Plaque the boot.
Hey, this is kind of fun. And educational. What was that?
I don't know, but it's coming from back there.
Who dares enter my domain?
Maybe we should have stayed in the cup.
No way, Bristle. Remember why we're here. Sophie needs us.
And just like that, our little adventure had turned into something much bigger. We were facing our biggest challenge yet, and I was terrified. But looking at Squeezy's brave face, I knew one thing for sure. You're right, Squeezy. Let's show this cavity monster what we're made of.
Ready, partner?
Ready as I'll ever be. Let's do this, for Sophie.
Take that, you plaque punks!
Is it just me, or are there more of them now?
Wow, what's going on in there?
Oh no, she's going to spit us out.
Not if we can help it. Keep brushing, Bristle.
Give up, puny cleaning tools. This mouth is mine.
Oh no, I'm out of toothpaste.
And I'm all worn out. What do we do now?
Now you become part of my cavity collection.
Did someone call for backup?
Huh?
Name's Minty. I've been stuck between these molars for weeks. Figured it's time I pitched in.
Bristle, look out!
I'm stuck. Squeezy, save yourself.
No way! We're in this together!
Well, folks, this was it. The big showdown. Me, a shy toothbrush facing a cavity monster. Talk about a plaque attack.
We can't give up now. Sophie needs us.
Yeah, and I'm not about to become dental floss jerky.
You're right, but how do we beat something so big and scary?
Wait, remember what the bacteria sang? Round and round, reach every tooth.
That's it. We need to brush properly.
Leave the flossing to me, boys.
And just like that, we turned into dental defenders. Our brushing became our battle moves.
Woohoo! Take that, cavity creeps!
Hey, this actually feels kinda nice. I never knew brushing could be so fun.
Now stop enjoying it.
It's working. Keep going.
Floss like a boss. Watch me weave and leave these plaque pests powerless.
Look out!
Wait, I noticed something. Squeezy, aim for that dark spot.
No, my only weakness, proper dental care.
That tickles.
And just like that, with a burst of teamwork and minty freshness, we did it. Sophie's smile was saved, and we learned that even the smallest brush can make the biggest difference.
We make a great team.
The best in the business.
I couldn't have done it without you guys.
Great job, sweetie. Your teeth look amazing.
Thanks, Mom. Brushing is fun now.
Well, folks, you won't believe what happened next. Sophie became a real toothbrushing champ. And just like that, we turned frowns upside down. one sparkly smile at a time. Oh, I guess that's the end of our story. But remember, every smile is a new adventure.